In this video we will look at how to install VS Code on Fedora 43, and this guide is also going to work on both GNOME and KDE desktops. We will start by downloading VS Code for Fedora 43, and for that go to code.visualstudio.com, and from here click download for linux.rpm, and under rel, Fedora and CentOS you will have instructions to install VS Code, and what we need to set up this VS Code repository. So we will copy this command first and then run it in the terminal. And after that update the package list and install VS Code, and run these commands one by one, and don't copy this double and signs. Okay, so we have installed VS Code. Now let's open it for the first time. So now we have installed VS Code, and we still have one more thing to do, and that is to configure our file manager to show open with VS Code option. And if you have worked with Windows, you will see that when you right click on the file explorer, there is going to be option to open any folder with VS Code in the right click menu, and Fedora by default does not have that, so we will configure that as well now. Also we have to configure this separately for the GNOME and KDE desktops, and I will show you how to do in both desktops. We will start with the GNOME desktop. So what you need to do, first install this package called Nautilus Python, and also if you have already installed this package, and run this command to update it to the latest version. And after installing the package, we need to create this folder, and you can run this command to create it. And then we need to create this file vscode-extension.py in the folder we just created, and we will run this command to create it in VS Code editor. And then save this configuration to that file. Save the file, and then we need to restart our file manager by running this command. And now if we open file manager and right click anywhere, we have this option open in VS Code, and that will open any folder in VS Code editor. So that is for the GNOME desktop, and now let's also try this on the KDE desktop. For the KDE desktop we don't need to install any packages, just create this folder first, and then create a file called vs.desktop on the folder we just created. Again we will do it using the code editor, VS Code editor, and then we need to add this configuration to the file. Save the file, and then we also need to make this file executable by running this command, and you can run this command to make that file executable. And now if we open a file manager in the KDE desktop and right click, we have this open in VS Code option. So that is the end of this video on how to install VS Code on Fedora 43.